Hello and welcome. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss idioms for daily use. The first idiom is a blessing in disguise. It means something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good. For example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise. It pushed me to start my own business. So it examples means initially losing the job seemed negative, but it led to a positive outcome by prompting the person to start a business. The next one is a piece of cake. It means something very easy to do. For example, the math test was a piece of cake. I finished it in 10 minutes. It means the person found the test very easy and completed it quickly. The next one is beat around the bush. It means to avoid talking about what is important. For example, stop beating around the bush and tell me what happened. Here the example means the person wants the other to get straight to the point without avoiding the main topic. Bite the bullet means to face a difficult situation with courage. For instance, I decided to bite the bullet and go to the dentist. Means the person is facing their fear of the dentist and going despite being scared. Next is break the ice, meaning to make people feel more comfortable in a social setting. For example, to break the ice, he told a funny story about his childhood. The person told a story to make others feel more at ease in a social situation. Next is burn the midnight oil. It means to work late into the night. For example, she had to burn the midnight oil to finish her project on time. Means the person worked late at night to complete the project. Cost an arm and a leg means something very expensive. For example, that designer bag costs an arm and a leg. Means the bag is very expensive, suggesting a high price. Hit the nail on the head means to describe exactly what is causing a situation. For example, you hit the nail on the head when you said she was upset about the delay. Means the person accurately identified the reason for someone being upset. Kick the bucket means to die. For example, the old man finally kicked the bucket at the age of 99. Let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal a secret unintentionally. For example, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Means the person accidentally revealed the secret about the surprise party. Next is miss the boat. It means to miss an opportunity. For example, I waited too long to buy the tickets and missed the boat. Means the person missed the chance to buy tickets because they delayed. Next is once in a blue moon. It means something that happens very rarely. For example, he only comes to visit us once in a blue moon. Means the person visits very rarely, almost never. Piece of cake. It means something very easy to do. For example, fixing the car was a piece of cake for him. Means the task was very easy for the person, implying they did it without much efforts. Raining cats and dogs means raining very heavily. For example, it was raining cats and dogs last night and the streets were flooded. Means it was raining very heavily, causing flooding in the streets. See eye to eye means to agree with someone. For example, they finally saw eye to eye on the new policy. Means the people reached an agreement or had the same opinion on the policy. Speak of the devil. It means when someone you are talking about appears. For example, speak of the devil, we were just talking about you. Means the person mentioned in conversation unexpectedly shows up. Next is the ball is in your court. It means it is up to you to make the next decision or step. For example, I've done all I can. Now the ball is in your court. Means the responsibility or next action depends on the other person. Under the weather. It means feeling ill. For example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'm staying in. The person is not feeling well and decides to rest. Up in the air. It means uncertain or undecided. For example, our vacation plans are still up in the air. It means the vacation plans are not yet confirmed or decided. Next is when pigs fly. It means something that will never happen. For example, he will clean his room when pigs fly. Means the person never cleans their room, implying it will never happen. Thank you for watching.